Welcome back to Future Fuel, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the world of cars. Today, we're diving deep into a car that epitomizes luxury, sophistication, and forward-thinking technology, the 2025 Volvo S90. If you've been following Volvo's journey, you know this flagship sedan has always stood out for its timeless design and cutting-edge features. But the 2025 model, it takes everything to a whole new level. A design that speaks luxury. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Volvo S90 is its bold, refined design. Volvo has managed to keep the S90's minimalist Scandinavian ethos intact while giving it modern upgrades that turn heads. Up front, the signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights are sleeker, stretching seamlessly into the sharper grille. The new bumper design adds an aggressive yet elegant flair, making the sedan stand out in a crowd. Moving to the side, the elongated silhouette of the S90 emphasizes its premium stance. Subtle chrome accents along the window line and redesigned 19-inch alloy wheels elevate the car's elegance. At the rear, the signature C-shaped taillights now feature dynamic lighting patterns, a touch of sophistication that feels both futuristic and classy. Step inside Scandinavian comfort. Once you step inside, the 2025 S90 greets you with an atmosphere of tranquility and luxury. The cabin has been reimagined with sustainability and craftsmanship at its core. Volvo's focus on eco-friendly materials is evident, with wool blend upholstery and options for leather-free interiors. But don't mistake sustainability for compromise. The seats are exceptionally comfortable, with multi-way adjustments, heating, ventilation, and even massage functions. The dashboard is a work of art, blending premium wood, brushed aluminium, and soft-touch materials. Front and center is the upgraded 14.5-inch touchscreen running Volvo's latest infotainment system powered by Google. It's faster, more intuitive, and fully integrates Google Maps, Assistant, and the Play Store. Connectivity is seamless thanks to 5G integration, and the updated Bowers & Wilkins sound system ensures every drive is accompanied by a concert-quiet audio. Rear passengers aren't left out either. The 2025 S90 offers class-leading legroom and an optional rear seat entertainment package, making it a perfect choice for those who prefer to be chauffeured in style. Performance meets sustainability. Under the hood, the 2025 Volvo S90 offers a range of powertrains tailored for every kind of driver. The base model features a mild hybrid turbocharged engine, delivering smooth and efficient performance. But the real star of the show is the tight recharged plug-in hybrid. This powertrain combines a turbocharged and supercharged engine with an electric motor, producing an impressive 455 horsepower. With an extended all-electric range of up to 60 miles, the S90 Tate Recharge allows you to handle most daily commutes without a drop of fuel. Volvo has also enhanced a regenerative braking system, making the transition between electric and hybrid modes seamless. And for those seeking even more driving pleasure, the Polestar-engineered trim adds sharper handling, sportier aesthetics, and extra power. Safety at its core. Of course, no Volvo would be complete without its hallmark safety features. The 2025 S90 is equipped with Volvo's latest Pilot Assist system, offering semi-autonomous driving capabilities. New for this year is Intersection Assist, which provides added safety during turns and an upgraded driver monitoring system to ensure you're always alert behind the wheel. The S90 also includes a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, and Volvo's unique run-off-road mitigation system. It's clear that Volvo isn't just thinking about luxury, but also ensuring peace of mind for every journey. sustainability in the future. Volvo has pledged to become a fully electric brand by 2030, and the 2025 S90 reflects this commitment. Beyond the electrified powertrains, the production process for the S90 is designed to minimize carbon emissions. This sedan isn't just about driving pleasure, it's about contributing to a greener future. Final thought. The 2025 Volvo S90 is a testament to Volvo's ability to blend luxury, performance, and sustainability in one stunning package. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the back seat, this sedan delivers an unparalleled experience. It's stylish, tech-savvy, and environmentally conscious, a perfect reflection of modern automotive innovation. If you're looking for a car that turns heads, keeps you safe, and leaves a lighter footprint on the planet, the 2025 Volvo S90 should be at the top of your list. That's all for today's deep dive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Future Fuel for more updates on the latest cars reshaping the industry. Let us know in the comments, is the 2025 Volvo S90 your next dream car? Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.